take it anymore. I'm so alone. No one cares. No one listens. Everyone hates me. I'm so tired of being invisible. Invisible? You've got over 9,000 comment karma.
Clearly Reddit likes having you around.
Let's get this post to the front page.
Let's show her how much the internet loves her.
I bought her Reddit Gold.
Here are the links to her Facebook and Twitter account.
Friend requested.
Following. I found her Tumblr.
Like all of the posts.
None of us have to be forever alone anymore.
We've all got each other now.
Welcome to the internet.